Today I'm going to be testing out and showing you the fire alarm system that I had installed in the garage, also known as the S.E.R. I've gone ahead and swapped out all of the fire alarms in the pull station with new devices. So let me go ahead and show you what I have. For this test, I'm kind of mimicking a system that you would commonly find in the 90s. As you can see, for a pull station, I have a Simplex 4251-20 T-handle style pull station. These pull stations were first introduced in the 1970s, and they were widely used throughout the 70s, 80s, and 90s by Simplex. And you can still find them today in buildings. That actually goes for all of these devices that you see today, just as long as the building hasn't gone through extensive fire alarm upgrades since the time it was first installed. For a fire alarm that commonly goes with that pull station that I just showed you, I have this. This is a Simplex 4903-9219. The Simplex 4903 series was first introduced in the early 1990s, and it includes a range of devices such as horns, strobes, horn-strobe combinations, and speakers. So I have this installed today. It is set on code 3, and for another device that is also included in that series, I have a strobe over here on the far side of the garage. Let me get a little closer to it so you can actually see it. This right here is a Simplex 4904-9137, and it is a strobe only. It only flashes. It doesn't make any noise. So that'll be flashing on this corner of the garage, and we have the horn strobe over there on the other side of the garage. As a fire alarm panel that controls the entire fire alarm system, I have this. It is a Kidde FX-64 addressable fire alarm control panel. This is not a panel that you would commonly find with Simplex devices, but for this system, why not? There's a lot of different kind of fire alarms out there, so might as well show you them while I do these tests. So this is what I'll be using to control the fire alarm system once I activate it by pulling the pull station. And speaking of pulling fire alarms, we might as well do it. Here we go. Fire alarm pull down in 3, 2, 1. And yes, the security alarm is also wired into this system. I forgot that I do have that enabled. With this fire alarm control panel, I am able to manually activate any device within the building in order to test the system. So I'm going to go ahead and do that by going into the panel settings and scrolling down to test. And then I'm going to select test fire, and then it will allow me to select a point number. So we're going to go ahead and say 0.3. And we'll go ahead and hit enter, and we'll hit start. And then as you can see, I do have the entire notification appliance circuit being coded to code 3. So that's the strobes and the horn. So now that the system is silenced, we've gone ahead and tested 2 different devices. As you can see, that light on that detector was flashing red, meaning that it was activated. We'll go ahead and reset the Simplex 4251-20. It's really easy. You just stick the special fire alarm key in and open up the pull station and then close it. Here's the inside of the pull station, and as you can see, it is a 4251-20. Alright, and then it is just a button that activates the alarm. So let's go ahead and close up the pull, and there it is. So now we'll go ahead and reset the entire fire alarm system just by pushing the reset button. And while we're waiting on that to reset, we'll go ahead and reset the security system. Alright, the fire is now cleared, and the fault 3 is just the motion sensor activating. And the main fire alarm control panel has been reset. So I think that is going to conclude today's test. Thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. If you found any of this interesting, definitely go check out some of my other videos and subscribe because I have a lot of cool videos coming in the future. Have a great day, everyone.